Fine, be seated and quiet.
Ms. Hatcher? Are you there, Ms. Hatcher? Okay, just, she probably knows Judge Mr. Dowdell is in the hallway in person.
Okay. All right. Daniel, sir, agent. Yeah, he got accidentally just keep saying back on.
So sorry, everyone. I apologize. I hit the wrong button. Okay, Judge, are you ready for me to open court?
Yeah.
36 District Court is now in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. While court's in session, there's no walking around, talking, reading, smoking, driving, or in and out of the camera. When your name is called, please unmute your device if muted and give your full and undivided attention to the court. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Mr. Petway. Everyone, when I call your name, can you let the attorney say their name first? Or the officer, and then you can say your name. I'm gonna first start with Batu Diallo.
Yes.
This is the people versus Habib Batu Diallo. Ticket number SP 1440162. Count 1, a driving register or entitled vehicle, and count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning. Please say your names for the record. Go ahead,
Yes.
It's just, it's an adjournment. Ms. Hatcher, can you say your name?
Amari Hatcher appearing on behalf of the defendant, P74935. Please state your name for the record.
Clarence Reese.
No, not you, Mr. Reese. Ms. Diallo, can you say your name?
It's Jallo Habibatu. Habibatu Jallo.
Corporal, is it Vajan or Vajan?
Corporal Jamie Vajan.
All right, so I don't know, Ms. Diallo, if you can understand me. You need an interpreter, and we're having difficulty finding an interpreter for your language. So we gotta give you another date. Do you understand that, Ms. Diallo?
Yes.
Okay. So do you in fact need the interpreter?
Yes.
Oh, okay. So your next date is going to be June 28th
Yes.
at 9.
What is it?
Do you have that date? Did you get that? June 28th at 9 is the next date.
I want today. My daughter is here. She's here.
And the only issue with that is that there may be some legal terms that your daughter may not be familiar with to interpret. So it's always best that we have a court-appointed interpreter.
I have my new assurance and everything.
You have your documents, ma'am?
Yeah.
Your Honor, if she shows them on camera, would that be suffice
That
for the
would be-
officer?
Yes.
Have your
And
daughter
for-
put them on camera, ma'am, please.
Okay.
So can you lay that flat on a table or a flat surface and then turn your camera over on it so we can get a better view?
Yeah.
You have to bring it closer.
And can you zoom, have it come in as, it's a little far.
Can you pull the camera closer and maybe say something for it to kind of just speak?
Hi, I'm her daughter. I'm not,
Okay, show one document at a time. We need to be able to see the date. So can you
Okay,
bring it
here.
closer?
here is the first document. I don't know if you could see it. It's kind of blurry for me even. Really blurry.
Okay, try to hold your camera steady because it's a lot of movement and just bring it a little closer.
I don't know if you could see that.
We call her matter and she take a picture of it and send it to the attorney.
Date on there. What's the date?
What's the date, ma'am?
The date it says on here, it says 04/26, 2023.
That was
That's the
registration.
expiration date, ma'am.
It says the effective date, the expiration date is 04/26, 2024.
That's for the registration?
That's for the insurance.
What about the registration, the document that's in front?
But I'm not the registration date on. The registration date, it says the expiration date is 03/19/2024.
Are you okay with that, Corporal Vasion?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Ms. Hatcher, you stipulate the proper cause?
So stipulated, Your Honor. We just asked for a dismissal due to valid documentation.
All right, I'm sorry, these matters are dismissed without prejudice as Ms. Diallo has provided valid documentation. Ms. Diallo, you are all set, ma'am. Good luck to you.
Miss Diallo, it was dismissed. Your cases were dismissed.
Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Okay, I'm gonna call your matter, Mr. Batty. I'm sorry, I usually do retain counsel first, but I thought that was gonna be quick. This is the People versus Donati Dean, ticket number SP 1439340, count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. And count 2 is expired plates. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Good morning, Judge Danny Batty, appearing on behalf of Ms. Dean, present in your courtroom via Zoom with no objection to having this heard.
Ms. Dean, unmute yourself, ma'am. Say your name.
I apologize. Good morning, Your Honor. My name is Dana Tay Dean.
You have Kropick. You stated that you were, this matter is set for a trial. Corporal Kropick is here. I'm trying to bring him out. Hopefully he'll come out. But it looks like, oh, here he is. Corporal Kropick, good morning. Can you say your name, please?
Yes, ma'am. Good morning.
Can you say your name? Okay, I don't know what he's doing. But at any rate, there, it looks like there's a recommendation for dismissal. Do you stipulate the proper cause, Mr. Bagley?
We're able opportunity with the prosecuting. Support. I'm sorry.
The recommendation is dismissal for valid documentation. Do you stipulate the proper cause, Mr. Bagley?
Absolutely stipulated, Judge.
All right, these matters are dismissed without prejudice. As Mr. Dean has provided valid documentation. We're all set.
I'm sorry, Corporal Kropick, you were talking to me, was doing something else.
Yes, I was asking you to state your name for the record, sir.
Okay, I'm sorry about that. Corporal Kropick, Bed 775, City of Detroit Police Officer.
This was Ms. Donati Dean. She does have valid documentation. The recommendation was for dismissal, so this matter has been dismissed.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you, Judge. Thank you, Attorney Body.
Have a good day, Mr.
You're all set. Corporal Kropick, hang around because we still have you for Ms. Daphne.
And Your Honor, and House Counsel, Ms. Hatcher, Mr. Dowdell, he's in the hallway and he's in person and the people are moving for dismissal.
Okay.
Okay, I'll let him know to come in, Your Honor. Thank you, Your Honor.
Judge, could I have a minute? Miss Jane Carver, I do believe she's one of our House counsels also, correct?
She is.
That's correct. I'm here to help.
I just
Okay.
sent her a message.
You just said 13 and 17. Do they have offers?
Not, they had interpreters that weren't in the room yet, but they look like they're in there now.
Okay, I can't tell who's in there, so do you know what the offers are?
Ms. Carver, co-host,
Okay, great, thank you.
and Your Honor, could we do Clarence Reese's case next?
People versus Clarence Reese. Ticket number 23752-543, count 1. No operator's license in person. Good morning. Say your name for the record.
Amari Hatcher appearing on behalf of the defendant. Please state your name for the record, sir.
Dennis Dowdell.
That's you, sir. I'm sorry.
Oh, I'm
Give
sorry.
me 1 moment.
Mr. Reese,
Unmute your
please state your
device.
name on the record.
Unmute your device, Mr. Reese. Unmute your device.
Hello,
State your name.
Clarence Reeses.
Your Honor, we have a recommendation for a dismissal. He does have a valid driver's license.
Do you stipulate the probable cause?
So stipulated.
Matter is dismissed without prejudice as Mr. Reese has provided valid documentation. You are all set, sir. Good luck to you.
Thank you very much, Judge.
And the next one is Mr. Dozier.
May I approach, Your Honor?
Yes. Do you have a file, Dozier? This is the people versus Michael Dozier, ticket number SP 1373728, count 1 of proper place. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Amari Hatcher appearing on behalf of the defendant. Please state your name for the record, Mr. Dozier.
Unmute your device, Mr. Dozier. Unmute your device.
Hello, can you hear me?
Say your name.
Michael Dozier.
Your Honor, he's here today for a review. Mr. Dozier, have you paid all fines and costs in full?
Well, I had just started this job, but I do owe a court cost fee because I missed a court date on January the 6th of this year.
Okay, sir, what do you owe and how much time do you need?
I'm not for sure what the court cost was because I couldn't find that thing they had mailed me. And I must have threw it away or something. I don't know how much it is.
looks like he owes $65.
Huh?
$65.
$65?
That's what it says on here.
Okay.
Oh, no, I'm sorry. You were supposed to do 20 hours of community service.
Yeah, I completed that.
We'll recall it. We'll recall it and see if he actually completed it to verify it. So we'll recall your matter, Mr. Dozier, okay?
I didn't hear that.
We're gonna recall your matter to verify that you completed the community service.
Okay.
Can we do Mr. Rockamore?
Yes.
This is the People versus Latricia Rockamore, ticket number SP 1439130. Count one, drove out unlicensed. Count two, no proof of insurance. Count three, expired plate. Ticket number SP 1439131. Count one, failed to yield to moving emergency vehicle. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Mari Hatcher appearing on behalf of the defendant. Please state your name for the record.
Latricia Rockmore.
It looks like there's a recommendation for dismissal. Do you stipulate your probable cause, Ms. Hatcher?
So stipulated.
These matters are dismissed without prejudice. You are all set, Ms. Rockamore. Good luck to you, ma'am.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Next should be Ms. Rudolph, Judge.
All right, we're gonna recall Michael Dozier, ticket number SP 1373728, count one, improper plate. One, two, say your names for the record.
Mari Hatcher again for the record, Your Honor.
Dozier, say your name again, sir. Say your name again, sir.
Michael Dozier.
All right, looks like Mr. Dozier has in fact completed the 20 hours of community service. It looks like you still owe $65. That might be some reinstatement fees or something, but this matter is closed out.
Okay. I have a question. Hello?
I'm gonna put it on the, okay.
Yes, do you have a question?
Yes, so I had just started this job. I'm 2 weeks in it, so how do I go about making this payment?
With the $65 that you owe?
Yes.
You need to go downstairs.
Well, I thought the, it was 27 hours community service.
But it says 65.
It probably shouldn't be in there because it's a new cost.
So we're gonna take it off?
Yeah.
Okay, it looks like it might have been a mistake as to the $65. So because you were to do community service in lieu of finding costs, we'll correct that mistake, sir. So I'm thinking you don't have to worry about that.
Okay.
All right, so you're all set.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Good luck to you. This is the People versus Mai Jaya Rudolph, ticket number SP 1420455, count 1, 16 to 20 miles per hour over posted speed. Ticket number SP 1439190, count 1, driver license suspended repeat offender, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor, and count 3, drive and register or entitled vehicle. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Mari Hatcher appearing on behalf of the defendant. Please state your name for the record, ma'am.
Maja Rudolph.
Your Honor, we do have a recommendation for Ms. Rudolph to plead to blocking traffic and amended charge of failure to display, all other matters to be dismissed.
Right hand, Ms. Rudolph. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. You had an opportunity to speak to the attorney in private about your case and your rights.
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
You're pleading of your own free will?
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you are waiving your right to trial?
Yes.
And knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes.
I'm going to direct your attention to the date of March 8th, 2023 at 1:14 p.m. On that date and time, you asked when you're born in 23rd Street in the city of Detroit.
Yes.
Were you driving a 2014 Jeep vehicle?
Yes.
And were you driving while your license was suspended as a repeat offender?
Yes.
Are you satisfied with the factual basis, and do you stipulate to the face of the ticket ending in 455, and do you stipulate to proper cause?
Satisfied, Your Honor, and I will stipulate to probable cause.
And to the face of the ticket for the
And to the
blockade?
face of it, yes, correct.
The court will amend the driver license suspended to fail to display. Will amend the 16 and 20 miles per hour over posted speed to blockading, and then we'll dismiss the remaining tickets without prejudice. We'll proceed to sentencing. There's gonna be a $200 fine for the fail to display. For the blockading, that fine is $175. Usually with civil infractions, you have 14 days to pay them, but because you have a misdemeanor attached, I just think it makes more sense if you pay everything together. So it's gonna be a total of $375. Can you have that paid by June 30th?
Okay.
Did you have any questions?
No.
Okay, so you're all set, ma'am. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. This is the People versus Amy Rouse.
Yes.
Ticket number SP 1439919, count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, driving registered or entitled vehicle. Good morning, please your names for the record.
Amari Hatcher appearing on behalf of the defendant. Please state your name for the record, ma'am.
Amy Rouse.
Your Honor, we do have a recommendation for dismissals on both counts. She has provided valid documentation.
Do you stipulate to probable cause?
And I stipulate to probable cause.
So both of these matters are dismissed without prejudice. You are all set, Ms. Rouse. Good luck to you, ma'am.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, you're welcome. And then lastly, you can come on up, sir.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, how are you?
Good, how are you today?
I'm well.
Good to see you.
Good to see you.
So
And
step
we
up
have
to the
an
podium.
in-person one.
I'm coming, man. I got a minute. I got a minute.
Attorney Carver, for some reason, I can't send you a message. I don't know why.
Has
Okay.
Officer Bender checked in?
No, we only have 2 officers.
Okay.
Judge, we have several no POs when you, oh, I forgot he's in the courtroom.
One more. This is the People versus Dennis Dowdell, ticket number SP 1434170, count 1, driving registered or entitled vehicle. Count 2, driver license suspended, and count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Dennis Dowdell.
Amari Hatcher appearing on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor.
All right, it looks like there's a recommendation for dismissal as Mr. Dowdell has provided valid documentation. Do you stipulate to probable cause?
So stipulated.
So these matters are all dismissed without prejudice. You are all set, Mr. Dowdell. Good luck to you, sir.
Appreciate it.
You're
Appreciate
welcome.
it. And be blessed and be safe.
Thank you, sir. You as well.
This court is not over. Thank you.
Excuse me, Judge, this is Corporal Kropik.
Yes.
I was removed after my last case, but I had another one in your courtroom, Daffin.
Yes, Ashley Daffin, she is here.
Okay, I'll just go back in the breakout room then.
Okay, can you join her? Or do you want me to put you in there?
I think I can join. Let me see.
And Judge, readjust the camera. We can't see. Obviously, transfer it back. Let me see.
Hello?
Hold on for a minute.